Howdy, it's Matt, and in this episode we've got the F3 Shadow from FlyingWings.co.uk. I bought this model a short time ago. I did notice a couple of things which needed to be tweaked on it, like an extra carbon spar in there, another carbon spar at the nose, the battery bay is a little bit small, all really kind of minor gripes, and the other one was the plywood motor mount on the back needed to be a little bit thicker because it's only like 2mm plywood. Anyway, with that said, let's jump across to the flight line. I've got some onboard HD footage for this model. It is absolutely fantastic. Oh, you may be wondering, by the way, about the stickers. These are the stickers off two Wing Z84s. It looks absolutely fantastic. You probably can't even see it in the camera. Very, very cool model. Very predictable in the sky. Very simple to fly. I have kind of overpowered mine with a Cobra. Let me read this out. 28-20-10. 1170 kV motor, so obviously for 4S. And it goes like poop off a shovel. Absolutely mental. So let's jump across to the flight line. We'll be chasing a Teksumo around. And do be aware, it's quite windy at the hedge line, to say the least. Anyway, that's my excuse, and that's what I'm staying with. Right, we're on board with the F3 Shadow over with Andrew. Got some hoops out. Should be good fun. That was shit. Camera's still recording. There we go, optional accessory. Is it warm? Right. good prop size. Go. Oh, Jesus. Properly. There we go. I said that motor mount was crap. And off it came. And off it came. Mind you, it was with a bit of extra weight to help the momentum go through, didn't it? Oh well. Landed!